How to upgrade your Vimeo subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can upgrade your Vimeo subscription. So the first step is to log into your Vimeo account, just like I've done here. Then move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. In the drop down menu that appears, ensure you click on settings, and then you'll be taken to your settings page. For your settings page, move to the left side of the screen and then scroll down until you can see the option upgrade, which is found under videos. So click on upgrade, and then you'll be taken to the page where you can upgrade your subscription. So currently I'm on the free version, as you can see. Then there are other versions available, such as starter, standard, and advanced. So you can select the one that you would like to upgrade to your account to based on the advantages. All right, you can see the advantages for each of the plans here. So compare the features together and select the one you want. Once you're satisfied with the one you want, just go ahead and click on get standard, or you can decide to start free trial. Okay, you can just click on get or start free trial depending on the one you want, and then you'll be directed to the page where you'll be asked to make payments about the subscription. So the major means of payment here is through your card. So you enter in the name on your card number, the expiration date, the CVC, the zip code, and then once you're done, scroll down and click on complete purchase. Once the money has been deducted from your account balance, the subscription will be activated, and then you'll be on the plan that you have chosen. So this is how you can upgrade your subscription on Vimeo. Thank you for watching and have a good day.